Assembly of changing the color of a RGB LED. Components required: NodeMCU, IC7805 voltage regulator, 220 ohm resistor, RGB LED, 9 volt battery snapper and a breadboard. First of all, place the RGB on the breadboard. The long leg of the RGB is the ground and the rest are the colored pins. So place the RGB on the breadboard. You will place the voltage regulator on the breadboard. Now connect the first pin of the RGB to pin D1 of the NodeMCU. Then the second pin to the D2 pin of the NodeMCU, and the fourth pin to the D3 pin of the RGB, and then take a 220 ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the ground pin of the RGB, connect the other terminal of the resistor anywhere on the breadboard, and from there take a male to female wire and connect it to the ground pin of the NodeMCU. Now take the battery snapper, connect it positive to the V-in pin of the voltage regulator and the negative to the ground pin of the voltage regulator. Then take two jumper wires, male to female, connect the V-out pin from the voltage regulator to the V-in pin of the NodeMCU, or you can connect the ground pin of the voltage regulator to the ground pin of the NodeMCU, or you can connect the NodeMCU directly with the USB cable to power it. So this is the assembly.
After doing the hardware connection for the RGB LED, now we will do the Blynk configuration. So first of all, we will go to the Blynk website and then log in. So once we are directed to the Blynk dashboard, here we will go to the developer zone and then click on new template. Since we are already having multiple templates, so we will have to delete one of them so that we can create a new one. Delete it, you just click on the template, then click on this 3 button and then click on delete it, and then delete the option. So your template is deleted. So now you can create a new template. Click on new template, give the name as RGB, select the hardware as ESP8266, connection type as Wi-Fi, and then click on done. So once your template is created, go to the data stream. So here for the RGB, for each pin we will create one data stream. So here we will click on new data stream, select the virtual pin, give the name as, for the red pin we will give the name as red, the virtual pin is V0, the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value we will give 255, and then we will click on create. So the first data stream is created. Similarly, we will create for the blue and the green pin. Give the maximum value is 255, virtual pin is V1. So our 3 data streams are created, and now we will use the web dashboard. Now we will go to the web dashboard, and from the widget box we will select the slider and place it. We will select 3 sliders for each pin. So click on the first slider and choose the data stream as red. Click on save. Similarly, the other slider for the data stream blue, and the last one, select the data stream as green. So we have added the 3 sliders for the 3 pins, and then click on save. After this is done, our template is created. Now we will go to device and click on new device. From the template, choose the template RGB and then click on create. So we have got the template ID, template name and the token. Copy to the copy the code since we will require it for the coding, and that's all. Now if you click on the devices again, you will be able to see the device we have created.
Mobile configuration for controlling the RGB. So we will open the Blynk IoT app. As you can see, the RGB LED template is already showing. We will click on the template, and here we will click on the setting option, and here by clicking on the plus we will add the widget. We will select the slider, choose the data stream red, we will add the other 2 slider. Click on the sliders and choose the data stream. So this is done. As you can see, we have all the 3 sliders added. So our mobile configuration for the RGB is done.
So after the Blynk configuration, now we will do the coding for the RGB. So at the beginning, we have given the Blynk template ID, the template name, and then we have included the ESP8266 Wi-Fi and Blynk Simple ESP8266 library that will help the NodeMCU to connect to the Wi-Fi and communicate with the Blynk cloud. Then here we have declared the pins that is GPIO 5, GPIO 4 and GPIO 2 pins of the NodeMCU as red LED, green LED and blue LED. And then we have given the token, our Wi-Fi password here, and then write V0 function. So this is to control the red intensity. So here when the slider on the virtual pin V0 will change, it will convert send values to the NodeMCU, and it will convert the received value to the integer and write it to the red pin between 0 to 1023. Similarly goes for the green and the blue light. And lastly, in the setup in the setup function, we have start the serial monitor with a baud rate of 9600. We have declared the LEDs as output, the red LED, green LED and the blue LED as output device, and then we have given the blynk.begin access ID and password. It is used to connect our NodeMCU to the Wi-Fi and the Blynk cloud. And in the void loop, we have given the blynk.run to keep the Blynk connection active. So that is all about the code. Now you go to tools, select the board as NodeMCU 0.9 from the ESP8266 here, and then select the port and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to the NodeMCU.
Now we will show you the output of the RGB using the Blynk mobile application. So first of all, we will open the Blynk app, and here we will select the RGB template. And now by there are 3 sliders. The first one for the red, the next one for the blue, and the last one for the green. So as I will adjust the color, the RGB of mine will change the colors. Now see, it is showing red since I have increased the red color. If I increase the second one, it's turning blue, and if I increase the last one, it's turning green. And if I change the color intensity, I can get different colors from the RGB. So if I increase red and blue and I have decreased the green, it's showing like pink color. Thank you. So now we will control the RGB using the Blynk web configuration. So here on the Blynk website, under the device, you can see the RGB status is online. That means it is connected. So now if I click on the device and the dashboard, if I increase the red light, now if I decrease the red color, blue color, it will show blue. Now if I increase the blue color, see, you can see the blue color is increased, and if I decrease the blue and increase the green color, you can see it is showing green. And if I increase the red and the blue, it's showing a kind of pink color. So this is how we can control the RGB with the Blynk application.